Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll walk you through how to forward a meeting invite in Outlook and explain how to share an existing meeting with someone else in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open your Outlook account on your computer or web browser and make sure you are signed in. Outlook is Microsoft's email and calendar tool, and this is where all your meetings and invites are stored. Step 2. Click on the calendar option, usually located on the left side or top left corner of the screen. Step 3. At the top, click a new event to open a new event window tab and add title name, attendees. Click Send. Step 4. Find the meeting you want to forward and click directly on the meeting itself, not just the date. Once the meeting details are open, look for the forward option near the top of the window. This option allows you to send the same meeting invite to another person without recreating it. Step 5. Click on Forward, then enter the email address of the person you want to send the invite to. You can also add a short message if needed, which helps explain why you are forwarding the meeting. Step 6. After confirming the recipient details, click Send to forward the meeting invite. The recipient will receive the meeting information and can add it to their own calendar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy and helpful Outlook tutorials.